Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we had a Goldwing trike come in. Really nice trike, super mint condition, custom wide body conversion. This thing is super mint. He went to another audio shop. They did a good job with how meticulous they did the install and fabrication wise, but they used car speakers on a motorcycle. The bike didn't sound the way it should have. It was nowhere near as loud as it should have been. So he brought it to us over the winter, gave us time with it, had us redo the entire thing. They used jail audio, which is a great woofer, but a single jail audio subwoofer on this trike against 8 or 10 mid speakers. There was no chance of the single jail audio keeping up, and after he blew the subwoofer twice, he just gave up and came to see us, had us redo the whole thing. So we ended up upgrading to a ground zero hydrogen flat 10-inch. We upgraded the bass amplifier to a Sound Digital 3000.1. We went with a lithium battery, obviously, to keep up with the current demands of the amplifier. We ran a pair of 1200.4 amplifiers. We upgraded all the speakers to Cicada, so we went with 2 Cicada CH on the custom pods above the wheel well. We went with Cicada horn tweeters in the rear tour pack location. We went with Cicada CHX in the front speaker pods in the fairing. We went with NVS Audio high-res tweeters in the fairing grills. All NVS Audio oxygen-free copper wire and NVS Audio RCAs. For this one, we use the Hertz H8 DSP. RTA tuned the bike, kept the factory radio. The bike sounds fantastic. The bike plays really loud, has plenty of bass. We could have gotten him more bass if he let us take up the entire trunk enclosure, but I completely understand he got a trike for a reason. He travels, he wants to maintain as much storage space as possible. So we went with a small sealed enclosure, only took about 1/3 of the trunk, so he could still use 2/3 of his trunk. And we put nothing in the tour pack. So he has his whole tour pack and he has 2/3 of his trunk that he could use. The bike sound, I'm really happy the way the bike sounds. Bike looks incredible. The bike sounds really good. He's got a really good amount of bass. I'm completely happy with the install. So check out what we did for him. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Daytona, Florida, and Roselle, New Jersey. Got this beautiful Goldwing trike that we're about to redo. Client had the audio done somewhere else. Nice fit and finish. It looks good. They did great work. Just wasn't loud enough for him and didn't have enough bass, so we're gonna try and help him out with that. But let me go over what we're gonna do. Gel Audio makes great drivers. The fit and finish is excellent. The paint match is great, but these are just not loud enough. They're weatherproof, but we're gonna replace them with Pro Audio style. Has much more output on the same amount of amplifier power. They did 4-inch speakers in the grill. We're gonna upgrade these using the buckets from electrical connection. We're gonna upgrade these to 6.5s. I wish they had not drilled a hole in the grill, but we're gonna see what we can do with that. This is a nice silk dome tweeter. We're gonna upgrade them to titanium tweeters. Then the biggest change is gonna be in the back. They tried to do a single 8-inch subwoofer to keep up with 8 mids. Physically impossible, not gonna happen. The woofer's frozen. It's the second one he's blown, so he just gave up. I'm trying to convince him to do 2 10-inch woofers. He wants to save some trunk space, so we're definitely gonna go with 1. Hopefully we end up with 2. Plus the enclosure doesn't have enough airspace. We're gonna bring the enclosure up and use the space in the back to gain just over a cubic foot. This enclosure looks like it's about 1/3 of a cubic foot. So we're gonna build a larger enclosure, put a larger woofer in it, and an amplifier more power, so hopefully the bass can keep up with the highs. So one of the reasons why the bike didn't sound good, they actually downsized the speaker and made it small in factory because it was easier for them. So from factory to 4-inch speaker, they put in a 3-inch speaker. It's not gonna give you much sound. We're gonna pull these out. We're actually gonna do a 6.5-inch speaker.
Yeah. Mr. D-O-double-R. I say, yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR pit stop. Fresh paint job, fresh inside. Is the outside frame in the trunk wide? Or the rims big? Do it right good. Lean back, right hand on the pine wood. Cream on the inside, clean on the outside. Cream on the inside, clean on the outside. Cream on the inside, clean on the outside. Ice cream paint job. Cream on the inside, clean on the outside. Cream on the inside, clean on the outside. Cream on the inside, clean on the outside. Ice cream paint job. Clean on the outside, cream on the inside.
Sweet dreams are made of it. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of it. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of sweet dreams. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made